right, doing some final prep for fall double down. Just some small stuff. I took the oil cooler off. It was leaking way too much from the sandwich plate. Now, true enough, I could have just, you know, take the lines apart, you know, put some thread tape on it, such and so forth. But honestly, you know, even my last oil cooler, it would seep a little bit of oil. So I'm honestly just not gonna worry about it for this event because it is gonna be pretty cold out. So I'm not really worried about boiling my oil. It would be nice to have it, but you know, there's other things I should be worried about. Kind of just dialing the toe up front by eye. So it's about even. This one's still a little bit toed out a little bit up front, but honestly not that bad. Got these tires flipped because as you can see, it was eating them up on the inside. So now I got some meat on the inside. Addressed the issue with the fuel pump. It wasn't seated correctly, so it was having a lot of fuel starvation issues. Because let's say when I go to initiate, all the fuel's on one side of the tank. Yeah, so got that straight. That's great. What else? I had to redo the O2 sensor wiring because some kind of way it got cooked. Literally all the wires, as you can see here, have became one. So it was given a reading, but it wasn't given enough of a reading. So took one off the parts engine over there, spliced it, extended it. I'm gonna hook it up now. Should be all good. That's pretty much it as far as what needs to be done to make sure the car performs the way it needs to. As of recently, my AC and radio and all that shit stopped working. Of course, right? So now I won't have no radio, no music while I'm on the track. I guess that's fine. Can't have it all. As long as the car performs how it's supposed to, fuck the music. I just want this shit to, you know, have some power, man. Have enough power to be able to link the track and not cut out and cut back like it did last time. So I'm going to trailer it over to my tuner real quick, just to, you know, for him to make some last minute adjustments. Make sure everything is reading right, because he wasn't able to, you know, apply as much fuel across the fuel table due to this O2 sensor, bank 1 not reading correctly. That one's good, this one wasn't. So as you can see here, everything's nice and extended. So I just need to hook that up. And that's really about it. Need some oil, need a filter, but that's on the way. That's really it. I need to go to the tire shop last minute and get some damn tires. He said they'll be in yesterday, they weren't in. He said they'll be in today around 2:30, so I'm really hoping he pulls through, because if I don't got no damn tires, it's all a waste. So, yeah. But yeah, I had to take the oil cooler off because the hole underneath the car is literally just grease. Straight grease. And it's all from that sandwich plate. So it'll be nice to have it, you know, but it's all right. I'll put it back on during the summertime when it really needs it. During the winter, it doesn't really need it. So, yeah, pretty much it. You know, just straighten up the alignment. And also, my tail lights weren't working. As soon as I would pop them on, the fuse will pop. As soon as I turn the switch, it'll pop. As you can see now, they're on. I think that was due to whatever, you know, voltage, whatever it might be. Something's going on as far as the radio and my climate controls, because I took it apart because I was gonna try to resolder the connections, because it's a few connections that come unsoldered. Long story short, obviously, as you can see, I didn't end up doing it, but I ripped all the shit apart and I didn't plug nothing back up. So now that, you know, there's nothing connected back there, I'm assuming that's how it's able to stay on now. Because previously, as soon as you flip the switch, you know, it'll just go off. it'll pop. You can hear it pop. Hear the fuse pop. So that's pretty much it. Just, you know, button it up, get my tools together, go shred some tires. I've been waiting for. So far, I can't clutch kick. Obviously the motor feels much better, way more responsive. First is good, second is good, but the fact that I can't clutch kick to, you know, keep the RPMs where I need it, it's swap my wheels around. Right now I can't clutch kick. As soon as I hit the clutch, it cuts power. So that's my main issue right now. I got good engine power, but I can't clutch kick. So I'm gonna try to make the best of it. I don't have an option.
it's our turn, okay?